OLTP is nothing but what it's called as a data warehouses. What we call data warehouse. Okay, now guys, here your Java application you can't directly integrate with the OLTP. This is as of now not integrated with the application OLTP applications only. There is no technology like that. Okay, now, right? Then what it was happening? This OLTP databases are full, and this data I will it means that OLTP to OLTP, but application front-end application to it be impossible. Okay, then we are making to do. We are using some use. E stands for extract data unit to load to API. Okay, so that means moving the data from OLTP to OLAPs. But how the data will be moved means they are creating the organization people creating what now? Job schedules. Job schedules are nothing but they will be data automatically transfer. Okay, now for example, so have a very big operation, that means you can go to do it, and from your big business the data will be produced very immediately have to move it. So from your business how much data will be produced as per the data, so they will be preparing job. Okay, now so hourly basis the data can be transferred here, even though you can transfer your data minutes basis also, transferring the data TP to AP. Understand now? Every 1 hour they will move it automatically. Okay, your job schedule means simply you want to understand. For example, nowadays you have a mobile, right? In your so, and if you go to alarm option, we are setting some the morning 7 o'clock they want to wake up. So they will go to set some alarm. Yes or no? And when you set some time, and that time if you set and want it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, every day the morning 7 o'clock automatically your alarm will be ring. Yes or no? Set. It's not necessary. One time, the time and the day, if I set automatically on the every day, it was going to be happen to ring. Yes or no? That is only one lifelong. If you keep like this, it was happen lifelong. Yes or no? That is called as the job schedules we call. And that kind of schedules, the database admin now hourly basis. Okay. Some companies, as per their business, as per their data, they will be okay daily basis. Daily means 24 hours. Somebody they will sending the data as weekly basis. Some companies, they are maintaining the data as monthly basis. Now, quarterly basis. Quarterly basis. Some companies, they maintain what now? Yearly basis. Of yearly basis. And some companies, okay, so they will create job schedules in between TP to AP at the time of connectivity. This job schedules. Then what happened? Suppose I fixed here hourly basis. Then what happened? Every hour data transferring from OLTP to OLAP. Then your memory is vacant now. Yes or no? Space is available or not? Yes, space is available. So in that space, the regular activities, whatever it was coming from the app or application, the process. So app through TP, TP through AP. It will be continuously happening, the flow. Yes or no? So this is what it was going to be happen. And now, here after that, suppose you guys are have a doubt. Okay, sir, we understand this job schedules as per the schedules, but here my OLAP also full. My OLAP also full. Then what we want to do, sir? Okay, means that when OLAP is full, then immediately the organization's people are creating, and to this data warehouse, they will connecting with the help of what now? ETL tool with this data warehouse. Again, suppose this data warehouse memory also completed, then what they can do next means they will created one more data warehouse. Okay, now they created one more data warehouse. They're connecting with the ETL tool, and data houses are once full, then they will create one more data warehouses. So like they will be maintain the data. It was going to be happened internally. And now I'm asking one OLTP database, whatever it was there, this database source, what is the source of OLTP? App. Okay, OLTP source. Source means from where data is coming. Understand my point or not? From where data is coming. That is called a source. Then OLTP source is what? IRCTC application, Flipkart, Amazon, PhonePe, Google Pay, any app, what we are using. So that is source of TP. And AP source is what? AP source is what? TP. Because AP from where it is? TP. For TP, data coming from where it is? App. So OLAP data source is OLTP. OLTP data source is application. Okay, now this is the way the structure and flow it was going to be happen. Got it? So now I'm giving some real-time examples. Okay, on this OLTP and OLAP. What is real-time examples? Let me see. And where you all of you know this. Okay, you all of you know this. Suppose nowadays ATM machines are there. Okay, now if I want to do some transaction, okay, from ATM machine, so we all of you know the procedure, right? Suppose guys tell me, do you want to see or do you want to take your last 5 transactional data or last 5 or 10? 10 last 10 transactional data. I want to see my last 10 transactional data. Okay, if I go to ATM machine, can I see it? Yes or no? Yes. What is the statement? Mini statement. If you go to ATM is there, what is that? mini statement. So when I click on mini statement, the statement will come to me. Yes or no? In that statement, how many transactions data will be there? Only last 10 transaction. Last means current. So today, what I did 1 hour before. Yes or no? So like last 10 transaction data only come to me. Okay, now that is from ATM. Okay. For example, now I wanted here 1 year statement. I wanted what I wanted 1 year statement. 1 year statement. If I wanted, can I take that 1 year banking account statement from ATM machine? No. The 1 year transactional data, if you wanted, where you want to go? Bank. You have to go bank and request to the manager, and manager will give you permission to you. Then you will take a last 1 year transactional data. So here, last 1 year transactional data is a big data or small data? It's a big data that coming from OLAP. Understand now? So whatever the 1 year statement, 6 month statement, yes or no? 1 month statement, these are coming from where it is? OLAPs. And the last 5 transactional, 10 transactional, that is called a small data. And the small data coming from OLTP. So OLTP is only having live transactional data. But oldest data, if I want it, where I want to go? OLAP. So OLAP storing big data. OLTP storing current data. So present data. Here present data is there. Here past data is there. Understand? Na? So that is the differences of TP and AP. AP. One more example is what now? For example, nowadays some showrooms are there, like Bajaj Electronic Showrooms, Pi International, Chroma. Yes or no? Do you know? Na? Yes. Suppose you need to purchase one television, the 50 inches television you need to purchase. And nowadays we can go to online also, that we can do it that. Okay, but generally so many people going to lively, they're going to what? Showrooms. Okay, manually they want to check each and everything, and manually they want to bargain, and everything was happened. Because online we don't want to bargain, yes or no? So how much price there? So some customers will prefer to directly go and check the product and bargain some amount, and later they purchase. Okay. So now our 50 inches, okay, na LED something. So I'm going to Bajaj Electronic Showroom. If I go to Bajaj Electronic Showroom, the salesperson, they will show you some models. Yes or no? Company along with the model. So you are checking all models in different brands. Yes or no? And finally you decided, okay, I want to take a Sony. Okay, na? The Sony 50 inches I wanted. You fixed that. And later what we are going to ask about the futures. After futures, what is the price? Bargaining is happened. So finally the rate also satisfied. Then immediately we are going to payment. Yes or no? So payment also be done. And tell me, the product will come to you. Otherwise, the salesperson come and say, sir, your product will be come to your home delivery. Okay, at your doorstep after 24 hours. You are getting the statement now? So salesperson not immediately they will give our product. I paid complete amount, but still the product will not give to you. And they will say, sir, your product will come to your door after 24 hours. But I can't understand, guys. I was paid amount here, full amount I paid. Then even though, why the salesperson taking 24 hours time? Is there any reason behind that? Stock? So So if you go to ask him, the salesperson, why you are taking 24 hours time? I wanted immediately my product. Okay. So if you say like this, salesperson will give one response. What is the response here? Sir, actually the products are not here. Your products are having in the godown. Godown means warehouses. It's a big rooms. Godown, sir. So our all products are having in the godown, and it was somewhat far here. So your product is coming from godown to your door. So that is the reason we are taking 24 hours time, sir. Okay, he will respond like that. When he was respond like that, the customer also, okay, then bring it. Okay, now, so we leave that. So here the point is Bajaj Electronic Showroom and godown, which is OLTP, which is OLAP. Bajaj Showroom is a OLTP. Godown is a OLTP, maintain small data, current data, live data. But OLAP maintain historical data, historical data, big data will maintain. So OLAP working just like a godown. Okay, use amount of data I can save. OLTP working like a Bajaj Showroom. Small amount of data I can manage. Understand now? So now this is what one more example of TP and AP. Next, one more example. What I said, ATM mission is a TP, and whatever your 1 year, 2 years, 6 month statements data coming from, that is called a APs, and that is what you know. If you go to banking, there is one mission was there. You can give passbook to the person, and the person will say, no need here. There will all transactions are coming to you. So all transactions means 1 year transactional data also I can take through my passbook. But that mission is called a AP. Whatever it was kept here, this mission is called a TPs. In banking sector, what it was there, that is called a AP. This is TPS. That's why here I'm taking only current last 10 transactional data. But if you go to bank, I can take years of data I can take. Okay, now these are TPs and AP example. And one more. Here I said job schedules, I said yearly, half-yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly. Sir, can you give one more real-time example on this? Okay, now? Yes. So, on job scheduling, one more example is what now? IRCTC. How many people are using IRCTC? Raise your hand. So, girls are not using. Huh? Okay, right. So, maximum, so many people are using now. Do you have an account in IRCTC? Yes, sir? Okay. I have one question on IRCTC. Just tell me. Every day night 11:30 to 12, can I log in